ज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यो एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। Hey, Hari Bol, not back to Thakur. Because there Thakur ji there.
Hey. Everybody, don't turn the back to Thakur ji. You should see a difference. You too, Prabhuji.
So by the continuous mercy of Guru and Gauranga, now we have come this place called Namacharya Haridas Thakur Samadhi Pithastha. This Samadhi also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself with his own hand he put the Samadhi Haridas Thakur. And Haridas Thakur actually is called the combined form of Prahlad and Brahmaji. And Brahmaji he committed offense in Vrindavan because he stole Krishna's cowherd boys and calf. Later he realized Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, Swami Bhagavan. Then he came in Navadvip Dham and also performed hard austerities to Krishna. Krishna manifested in front of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and asked him any benediction. Then Brahmaji told Prabhu, how can I serve to you? Then Krishna told, in my incarnation Kali Yuga manifested Gaura Sarup, then I will preach Nam Sankirtan. So you have to assist my Nam Sankirtan. Then Haridas Thakur told the Prabhu, I want benediction from you. I will never take part in high class family. You give me then benediction, I will take part in low caste family. Because if you have four things, you are not able to perform bhajan and sadhan. Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence. If you have beautiful form, Sundarja Rupa, and if you have lot of wealth of money, also you cannot do bhajan and sadhan. If you have vast of knowledge of the scriptures, and you also not to perform bhajan and sadhan. And another, if you take part high class family, Brahman family, or then automatically pride will come and you will neglect the others. For this regard, Haridas Thakur, he prayed to Lord Krishna, you give me, take birth in low caste family. And for this regard, Haridas Thakur, the Brahmaji, he took birth in Mahavadam Muslim family, they go Antaja, but he always helped to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's preaching Nam Sankirtan. Where was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? And there Haridas Thakur always in there. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadvip Dham, Haridas Thakur, he was always with him. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas and came in Jagannath Puri, Haridas Thakur, he was staying in Jagannath Puri and he was staying in Siddha Bakul. Maybe evening, and we will go Siddha Bakul place and glorify about Haridas Thakur, how did he perform bhajan and sadhan and in that place. Haridas Thakur, when he became sick, about 2 or 3 days, his high fever, he did not eat anything. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and told Haridas, how are you? Haridas Thakur, very humble, he told Prabhu, physically I am very well, but his mind is very disturbed. But what is the reason of your disturbance of mind? Then Haridas Thakur told Prabhu, I took vow every day I will chant 300,000 and holy names, 3 lakh holy names I karunga. Every day I will chant 3 lakh holy names. But now I am sick, so I cannot to perform my bhajan and sadhan. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Haridas, now you are perfect siddha and sadhana kano karo agraha. No need to keep your vow. Already you attain your perfection goal. And Haridas Thakur told, no Prabhu, you give me blessing and every day I have to chant 300,000 holy names every day. और रोज मैं नित्य प्रतः कितना हरि नाम करूं? 3 लाख। आप कितना करते हो? 3 माला करते हो कि नहीं कर समझे? How many rounds are you chanting? 3 rounds or not? No, every day you have to chant at least 16 rounds. भक्ति 16 rounds। 16 माला कम से कम करना चाहिए। 16 माला से कम नहीं होगा। Every day you have to chant how many rounds? 16 rounds। नाम जप करो। आप तो हरिदास ठाकुर नहीं बन सकते हो, किंतु कम से कम तो इतना ही कर सकते हो। सूर्य तो तुम नहीं बन सकते हो, किंतु तुम कम से कम तो एक छोटा सा दीपक तो बन सकते हो। सूर्य सारे जगत को आलो देते हैं, एक दीपक थोड़ी सी जगह तो आलो देते हैं। इसलिए कहते हैं कि तुम सूर्य नहीं बन सकते हो तो कम से कम एक तो दीपक बन सकते हो। दिस सन गिव्स द क्या बोलते हैं लाइट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड and all over the world completely illuminated. You cannot become sun, this is true, but you can become one small ghee lamp, and little bit place you can give the light. Ghee lamp give the light on the little place. In the same way, you can. I believe you cannot chant 3 lakhs holy names. This is true, but you can chant 16 rounds. 16 नाम तो जब 16 माला तो कर सकते हो। 16 माला से कम होना नहीं चाहिए। हम तो उपदेश देते हैं यू हैव टू चांट हाउ मेनी 64 राउंड्स यू हैव टू चांट एटलीस्ट 100,000 होली नेम्स यू हैव टू चांट। 1 लाख तो हरिनाम करना चाहिए। महाप्रभु ने कहा लखपति गृह से जे आमी खाए। लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु टोल्ड those who are millionaires, I can eat prasad in their house. Then all devotees they afraid Prabhu in our house no any penny. So how possible will you will take prasad in our house? Because you told those who are millionaires, I will take prasad in them. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told millionaires when Lakshmipati means is what? One who chants how many? 1 lakh holy names. कम से कम 1 लाख होली नाम करना चाहिए। किंतु भक्ति वेदांत समाज इतना ही तो रिड्यूस कर दिया। अच्छा सब भक्तों को कितने नाम करना चाहिए? 16 राउंड से कम होना नहीं चाहिए। एवरीबॉडी यू हैव टू चांट एंड आल्सो चांट एवरीडे गायत्री मंत्र। यू आर टायर्ड और दिस नो एनी एक्सक्यूज। यू आर टायर्ड, oh I am tired, I cannot chant holy names, I can chant Gayatri mantra. You cannot say this way. You have to everyday chant Gayatri mantras which you receive from Guru. And otherwise that is called Guru Apagga, Guru Aparad, committed offense to the feet of Guru Deva. And everyday chant at least how many? 16 rounds. 16 माला से कम नाम होने चाहिए। हरिदास नाम का मीन दिया चैतन्य महाप्रभु told Haridas, don't worry. But Haridas Thakur told Prabhu, you give me blessing every day I chant 300,000 holy names. Then next day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. Haridas Thakur became very sick, high fever. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought some Jagannath Mahaprasad and offered to Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur did not eat, just hold in his hand. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Haridas, why you are not taking Mahaprasad? Because our scriptures explain Mahaprapti Matreva Bhukshava. If Mahaprasad will come, then as soon as possible you have to take Mahaprasad. You have to eat Mahaprasad. Mahaprasade Govinde Namarmani Vaishnave Sarvapunno Vatangrajan Vishwas Naiva Jayate. Mahaprasad, when especially Jagannath Prasad will come, you should not neglect without delay. You have as soon as possible you take that Mahaprasad. But Haridas Thakur behold, Mahaprabhu asked Haridas what happened. Haridas Thakur told Prabhu, still I cannot complete 3 lakhs holy names. Mahaprabhu told, don't worry, you take Mahaprasad. Then Haridas Thakur he took Mahaprasad. Then Haridas Thakur very humble he told Prabhu, you give one blessing, soon I will depart, soon I will leave my this body. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very upset. Haridas, if you give up your body, how can I survive myself? चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने कहा, हरिदास तुम यदि शरीर छोड़ दो, मैं तुम्हारे बिना मैं कैसे रहूंगा? तुम ही मेरे मरो नाम संकीर्तन के मुख्य प्रचारक हो। यू आर माई प्रोमिनेंट प्रीचर्स टू प्रीच माई नाम संकीर्तन। एज लाइक द बर्ड कैन नॉट टू फ्लाई विदाउट हिज टू विंग्स, जैसे पक्षी दो पंखा बिना जैसे उड़ नहीं सकते हैं, एक पंखा को बांध दो तो पक्षी उड़ नहीं पाए, दो पंखा के बंद तो उड़ ही नहीं पाए। पक्षी के है ना, पंखा को एक पंखा के यदि थोड़ा सा काट दिया जाए पक्षी भी वो उड़ नहीं पाएगा। उसी प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु कहने लगे, हरिदास तुमने तो मेरा नाम संकीर्तन के प्रचारक के नाम संकीर्तन के मूल प्रचारक हो, तुम यदि संसार से चले जाओ मैं कैसे प्रचार करूं? किंतु हरिदास ठाकुर कहने लगे, प्रभु आमी महिले, इफ आई विल डाई व्हाट हैपेंड? As like millions of the, what is it, millions चिट्टियां माने ants. If the one ants will die, what happen? Thousand और millions ants चिट्टियां हैं, तो उसमें एक चिट्टी यदि मर जाए उससे धरित्री पृथ्वी के क्या होगा? भार कम हो जाएगा ना बढ़ जाएगा? कुछ होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा। ठीक उसी प्रकार हरिदास ठाकुर दैना करके कहने लगे, प्रभु मैं आपके सामने तो कुछ नहीं, एक चिट्टी के भी बराबर नहीं। चैतन्य हरिदास ठाकुर वेरी हम्बल, ही टोल्ड, प्रभु आई एम नॉट इवन द कंपेयर विद द स्मॉल ants. If I'll do what happened? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, no Haridas, if you die, how can I preach Nam Sankirtan? Then Haridas Thakur very humble, he told Prabhu, he give me two benediction to me. When we depart from this material world, you give me two benediction. जब मैं इस शरीर छोड़ करके जाऊंगा, जाने के समय होगा, मुझे दो वर देना। क्या क्या वर? एक बार जो है आपके मुखारविंद दर्शन करते करते मेरे शरीर छूट जाए, और दूसरी जो है आपके नाम ग्रहण करते करते मेरी छोटी शरीर छूट जाए। याद रखना। हरिदास ठाकुर ही आस्क्ड टू बेनेडिक्शन फ्रॉम लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु, एंड व्हेन आई विल गिव अप माय बॉडी आई विल टेक दर्शन योर वेरी नाइस ब्यूटीफुल एंड फेस ऑफ मून, आपके मुख चंद्र को मैं दर्शन करूं। और दूसरी सेकेंड, when I will give up my body, just chant your holy names. Gaura, 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 Gaura. Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Hari. Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Hari. Anandar Pranadhana Nadiya Bihari. Cottage of Haridas Thakur, Siddha Bakul there, just I told, in the evening we will go, Siddha Bakul, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu seated in front of Haridas Thakur, and Haridas Thakur lay down on his bed, and he took darshan, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's lotus face, and chanted Gaura, 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 Gaura. Then Haridas Thakur stopped his breath. हरिदास ठाकुर महाप्रभु के नाम लेते लेते सांस को रुद्ध करके बंद कर दिया और नित्य धाम में चले गए। हरिदास ठाकुर डिपार्टेड फ्रॉम दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड। कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी एक्सप्लेन भीष्म जानी निर्जास, एज लाइक भीष्मदेव इन महाभारत भीष्म, he also took vow that when sun will come in the what is called Uttarayan, north side, then I will give up my body. In the same way, Haridas Thakur, he chanted Gaura Nam and took darshan, the lotus face of Sachinandan Gaurhari, then he departed. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then cried, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took Haridas Thakur transcendental body in his own hand. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought his transcendental body in the ocean, and according to the rules and regulations of Shastra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took birth the body of Haridas Thakur, and all devotees took the food bathing water of Haridas Thakur. चैतन्य महाप्रभु हरिदास ठाकुर के अपराकृत कलेवर के शरीर को लेकर के समुद्र में स्नान कराया, और स्नान कराने के बाद उनके वस्त्र धारण कराया, और विधिवत तिलक आदि जो होता है वैष्णव में उसी प्रकार कराया, और भक्त लोग हरिदास ठाकुर के चरणामृत के ग्रहण किया, और अंत में चैतन्य महाप्रभु इसी स्थान पर हरिदास के अपराकृत दिव्य कलेवर के बालू में जो है उन्होंने समाधि दिया। ये हरिदास ठाकुर के समाधि चैतन्य महाप्रभु brought Haridas Thakur transcendental body and to bath in the water of the ocean, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that time he declared this ocean is called now क्या बोला Mahatirtha. Just you touch the water of the ocean, that means you take bath all the water of the holy places. इस समुद्र में स्नान करने से, आचमन करने से, जल को स्पर्श करने से समस्त पृथ्वी में जितने तीर्थ है, केवल भारतवर्ष नहीं, भारतवर्ष के बाहर भी जितने भी तीर्थ है, जितने भी नदियां पवित्र नदियां हैं, सब नदियों की फल स्नान करने से स्पर्श में जो फल आपके इस समुद्र के जल स्पर्श करने से प्राप्त होगा। एंड इफ यू टच द वाटर ऑफ द ओशन, then that means you will get all kinds of benefits to take bath, taking bath on the rivers. Even to touch the water, if your health is good, you can take bath, but don't you enjoy the sense gratification in the ocean. Very careful. I also request you, don't enjoy the sense gratification in the ocean. Understand? Then you will be injured. Couple few years before, one of our devotee, he was jumping in the water of the ocean, then his what is called neck broken, still he is in Hawaii. And so I request you, you have come here to Dham Parikrama, so don't you enjoy the sense gratification, just you touch the water of the ocean and take bath and pay your obeisances. This is my request to you. Otherwise, you will be suffered and disturbed on everything. Understand? Especially young boy, young girls, don't do this. And you pay your obeisances to ocean and take the water on your head. So Haridas Thakur and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave Haridas Thakur Samadhi, this place. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, who is called the Lakshmipati. Lakshmipati means the husband of Lakshmi, Lakshmipati Narayan. And Lakshmipati Narayan, he also begged some prasad in Jagannath or his market, Ananda market. And he brought the prasad and distributed the devotee. If you come Jagannath Puri, you have to distribute the prasad to devotee, then you will get lot of benefit. And if you have no money, no problem, but you take prasad. If you not feed to someone, no problem, but you have to take prasad. यदि आप इसके खिला नहीं सकते, कहते हमारे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है, मैं दूसरे के खिलाऊं कैसे? कोई भी बात नहीं, दूसरे के खिलाने के लिए आपके पैसा नहीं, कोई भी बात नहीं है। इतना जगन्नाथ जी के प्रार्थना कर दो, प्रभु इस जन्म में तो दे नहीं पाया, अगले जन्म में दे देंगे। This life I cannot to feed the devotees. May you give blessing, make me next birth I will feed all the devotees. समझ में? But this life you have to take महाप्रसाद, जगन्नाथ प्रसाद। समझ में आया कि नहीं है? एक्चुअल जगन्नाथपुरी के आने की तात्पर्य है प्रसाद ग्रहण करे और दूसरे के प्रसाद खिलाए कराए। यदि आपके भगवान इतना नहीं दिया, कहाँ से मिलेंगे आप? कोई भी बात नहीं है, बट यू हैव टू टेक महाप्रसाद। बोलो महाप्रसाद की जय। इन द सेम वे लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु he begged to Ananda market and took his uttari and he asked, give me some Mahaprasad. Mahaprabhu begged, and then he also very nice, beautiful Haridas Thakur, Viraha Mahotsav. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself distributed Mahaprasad to everybody. Bole Mahaprasad ki jai jai Shri Ram. Bolo Haridas Thakur ki. So now we are come temple, but if you go to the ocean, but very quickly come back. Don't enjoy the sense gratification, and very quickly you have to come back 12:30. 12:30 will give prasadam, will be ready for you. Gaur Premanand. Hari Hari. Jai Haridas Thakur ki. Haridas Thakur Samadhi ki. Jai Jai Shri Ram. सब लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा ये दे दो, दक्षिणा दे दो.